Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have such an exciting video. I was able to get the Anastasia Soft Glam and Amrezy highlighter. I was so excited. I went into Ulta today to see if they had them. They didn't have any out, and when I got up there to pay for what I did have, I asked because I saw someone else get one and they had them, and they told me I'm very lucky because they're not supposed to be out in stores for a couple more days. I have not swatched them. I have opened them to look, make sure everything's not broken, but that's it. It was just like a quick glance. I have seen people's videos on them obviously, but other than that I really don't know. So yeah, it's gonna be first impressions. I'm gonna do a tutorial eye look, and then we're going to do a first impressions on the highlighter, which I'm super excited about. When I first started getting into makeup, Anastasia had just released their collab with Amrezy, her palette, but I wasn't that into makeup, so I didn't get it. And I kind of wish they would release it again because I want it. But yeah, I'm super excited to bust into this. And this, based on what I've seen other people's videos, I kind of have ideas of the colors that I want to use. So I guess, so I don't ramble on, let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so jumping into the palette first. This is their true Anastasia packaging, the nice velvet packaging, which I love this packaging. How many times am I gonna say packaging? This is what the inside of this looks like. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I am excited. I know pretty much, I don't know if all of these shades in here are repeats from their past palettes. I know Burnt Orange, Cypress Umber, Tempera, those are all from there. They have those in the Modern Renaissance. And honestly, the colors that I want to stick with are this mulberry one right here because I love burgundy type shades, but this seems more of like a deeper brownish burgundy, which I'm kind of excited for. I do want to swatch a couple of these. I want to really swatch Sultry and Bronze right here. They look really pretty. That is gorgeous. Now, I've heard by watching other people's videos that this went back to the Modern Renaissance formula, so it's not supposed to be as much fallout. So we're about to swatch some mattes just to see. But let's swatch some of these. Let's go ahead and swatch Cypress Umber. Oh yeah, these are definitely back more towards their Modern Renaissance formula. They're super buttery, which, I mean, honestly, I really like the Subculture and Prism palettes. They are tons and tons of fallout, but I still really like those palettes. The colors in them are just so unique and different. And so those are a couple of the mattes swatched. So I guess let's go ahead and jump into the eye looks. Priming my eyes with my little baby sample of the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer, and mine is in Light. So far, I'm enjoying this. Look at this, guys. This little dot right here, that is a bruise. We were having a Nerf gun fight with my niece and my nephew the other night, and I got hit in the eye, and it bruised, surprisingly. So I'm sorry if you hear a TV in the background. Someone's watching TV in the living room, and my nephew's watching TV in our game room. Now, I wanted to just use this palette. So to set that, I am going to take a little bit of Tempera, which is not a completely matte shadow. It does have some shimmer in it. I noticed that in the Modern Renaissance palette, it does have some, it's like a sheen. I mean, it doesn't look too bad on the eyes. I would just prefer something completely matte. I'm going to go in with the Burnt Orange on a Wet n Wild blending brush instead. And just pop this in my crease. Now I'm going to take a Luxie 205 blending brush, and I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of Sienna right here, right next to Burnt Orange. I'm just going to start putting this a little bit lower in the crease just to start deepening it up. Okay, I feel like I'm using so many brushes right now, but I never use multiple brushes, so I'm gonna allow myself to do it. Next, I'm going to be taking a Morphe M518 brush, and now I'm going to go in. I really don't know what I want to go in with now. I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with Mulberry right here. This, I'm gonna start like putting all over the lid and just blending into the crease a little bit, just to kind of make it like a, just to make it kind of like a messy look almost. Just going back in with my Wet n Wild brush with a little bit more of, I'm actually gonna put sienna on it instead of burnt orange. And blend that out just a little bit. You see what I mean? It kind of makes it like a messy all over lid shade. Just taking the Anastasia brush with a little bit of burnt orange and just going at the very top of everything to blend everything together a little bit more. And because I feel like I lost some of that burnt orange shade in there. And now I'm just gonna take the other end of this Anastasia brush and go in with Noir, this black shade right here. And I'm just going to work this right here toward, right here toward the lash line and into the outer part of the crease. Okay, so I just have my face makeup on and I tried setting my face with a different powder than I normally do today. I don't know how I feel about it. My blush, especially on this side, came off super patchy. My skin is super broken out right now. I don't know what it is. I need a good face mask, I think. I need something to get all of this stuff, this crud out of my skin. Because I haven't done a mask in a while, so I think a mask would help. Which I have a mask video that I need to film, which is supposed to go up and when this video is going up, but I was more excited about this one, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and go back into our soft glam palette. I'm actually gonna throw it back a little bit. I'm gonna be taking my Moda 804 brush, which is this one right here. I'm just going to go pretty much in the same order of the things that are on my eye. So I'm going to take burnt orange and sienna, and then a little bit of mulberry. I'm not gonna add any of, I might add a little bit of Noir on the outer part to blend that all together. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. So for eyeliner, I'm just going to use this Ulta Automatic Black eyeliner. I don't use this that often. And then I'm going to do Too Faced Better Than Sex on my top lashes and this Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara on my bottom lashes. So while I'm waiting for this mascara to dry so I can flake it off, let's figure out what I want to put on my brow bone. So I think I'm just going to take a little bit of tempera and put it right under my brow bone, just to kind of freshen that color up. I think I'm gonna actually take rose pink right here, which I didn't even swatch this one. So I'm gonna take this one right here. And you know, I'm just gonna take my finger, that, and oh, I don't think I like that. And I'm gonna add a little bit of fairy right on top of that because I'm not liking the way that looks. Ooh, those two were a little bit, but yeah, I like that a lot better. I like that a lot better. I think that looks good. To get a new highlight brush to try today, I got the Wet n Wild tapered highlighting brush. This is from their new brush line. I was about to say blush. And it is so nice and sleek. Like, this is really nice. And it's super soft too. Okay, so this, and she has a message on the back, says, I live for the perfect glow. It's a constant focus in my makeup routine. I'm always looking for the most luminous glow with a natural second skin finish. This collaboration with ABH brings my highlighter dreams to life, and I'm so happy to share this. Sun in a compact with my Amrezy writers. Amrezy is just like the true like girl boss. I think she is amazing. She's beautiful. She's just, her makeup skill is on another level. She's always glowing. So I mean, highlight is like perfect for her. And I'm kind of really excited. I told the guy at Ulta that I was scared it was going to be way too dark for me, but he was like, oh no, it won't. So I'm sure you guys all have seen what this looks like. Sorry, I'm trying not to blind you, but this is the front packaging. Super beautiful. And then it's like so blinding with all the lights and everything. I haven't swatched it yet. I'm kind of excited. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Oh my god. And it's like it's not powdery feeling, so there's no fallout. And I did see some people like say there's no fallout because of the type of like texture it is. And it's got a nice mirror in it too. I still have the film on it, but yeah, nice mirror. So we're gonna try it out with this Wet n Wild highlight brush. Okay, yeah, absolutely no fallout with this. So okay, well, okay, I take that back. There is a little bit of fallout. I don't know. Yeah, like you can see it right there. There is some fallout. But oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I'm speechless. Like, and looking like straightforward, I feel like there's no like weird cast like there would be if it was too dark on me. Maybe you guys see something different than I do, but for now, like when I look forward, maybe I can almost not get away with it, but I can't get away with it. I can't stop putting it on. Final thoughts. Love the palette. I think it is true to Anastasia's staple palettes, to their modern renaissance and everything like that. Yes, this one is just going to be more of a natural everyday one, but as you can see, you can definitely create something a little bit more smoky and deeper. So definitely day to night, like it says. Super pigmented. There is fallout with it, just not as much as Subculture and Prism, so it is definitely back to their modern renaissance formula, which, I mean, like I said, I love the Subculture and Prism palettes, so I don't mind the formula and the fallout of those. They are a lot softer, and these are super soft as well, but I just think it's all so gorgeous, and I definitely am going to be reaching for this more. Now, I think we all know by my reaction how I feel about this highlight. I think this is amazing. Oh my god, I love it, and it describes it perfectly on the back. An illuminating powder with an ultra smooth formula and radiant finish. I love the packaging. It's kind of hard to tell on the front, but this lettering is rose gold. You can more see it on this back part right here. It is nice and rose gold. I mean, that is going to get so fingerprinted up, but I mean, it's makeup. It gets dirty. It gets messy. That's okay. And as you can see by this highlight and like on my nose and just, oh my god, I just want to bathe in this. I put this like everywhere. So I guess I don't have anything else to say except If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. I'll have all the links in the description box down below, plus the links to everything that is on my face. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to add, except I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.